Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I want to show you how you can connect your OpenEx token to Metamask wallet. For those of you finding it difficult to connect or to add your OpenEx token to Metamask, I want to show you how you can do it now in this video. So watch it step by step and see the simple step you can take to add your OpenEx token to Metamask, and I'll actually show you how you can withdraw it or how you can add your address or your withdraw it from your OpenEx app to Metamask. So the first thing you need to do now is, for those of you who doesn't have Metamask before, you can download it on Play Store. So when you download it on Play Store, you can just open it and create an account. And for those who already have Metamask, just open your Metamask wallet, as I'm going to open it now. So it's loading. All right, Metamask is loading. So when it's load now, so what you have to do now is, if you just created an account, this is how it's going to look like. Then come to this place. The first thing you need to do is, first thing you need to do is come to this browser here, click on it, and it's going to load. So when it's done loading now, what you have to do now is to click on this place. Click on this place. So when you click on it now, you're going to paste this link. I'm going to leave this link in the description of this video. So paste it here. So when you paste it here, then you search. So when you search now, this is a new blockchain, which is OpenEx network token. So once you paste that link here, just scroll down. When you scroll down, you see other contract address. So look at this place. Look at the total supply of this token. This is 10 billion, holders are 74 and transfers 36. So what you have to do in this place is just to come down. So down here you see add core network. So you click on add core network. All right, so this is core network now. So you click on confirm. So this is new network added. Core is now available in the network selector. So switch network. If you want to switch network, you click on switch network. You see successful. Then click on got it. Right, so you have passed this stage now. So if you come down now, so if you go back to your wallet, you see that you have added core network to this place, right? So once you have added core network in this place, now the next thing you have to do now is to import OEX token. So to import it now, you click on import token. So the link I'm going to give you, this is where you're going to paste it. This is the only link you need, so just paste it here. Paste the contract address in this place. So automatically it will be dictated as OEX. So once you paste it, it will be dictated as OEX, as you can see it here. So the next thing you're going to do is to click on import. All right, so you can see it here, OpenEx network token, right? So this is OpenEx network token. So that is how you can connect your OpenEx network to OpenEx token to your Metamask wallet, right? So if you want to send it or you want to receive any OpenEx token, you can just click on it and then copy your address, which is click on receive. You copy your address. So this address, you copy it and paste anywhere, send to the person that wants to send you OpenEx.